In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font size of Outlook emails, replies, and forwards. If your messages look too small or too large, setting a comfortable default can make writing and reading email much easier. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, so the changes apply every time you compose, reply, or forward. Start by opening your web browser and going to Microsoft.com. This is the main Microsoft site, and from here we'll get to Outlook. At the top of the page, click All Microsoft to open the list of Microsoft apps and services. From that list, click Outlook. This takes you to Outlook on the web, where we'll make the change. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and enter your account details. Make sure you sign in with the account you actually use for email, whether that's a work, school, or personal account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the upper right corner and click Settings, the gear icon. This opens a quick panel with common options. In that panel, click Mail to open the full settings menu for your mailbox. Next, select Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook stores the defaults for how your messages look and behave whenever you write or respond. Scroll to the section labeled Message Format. Here you can change how your emails appear by default, including the font size. Click on the font size control and adjust it to your preference. A medium size often works well for most screens, but choose what feels comfortable for you. You'll usually see a preview area so you can check how your text will look before you commit. Remember, the size you pick here becomes the default for new messages, replies, and forwards, so you won't need to adjust it every time. When you're happy with the size, click Save. This is important. If you leave without saving, your changes won't stick. After saving, try composing a new message or opening a reply to confirm the text matches your chosen size. If it doesn't show right away, refresh your browser and check again. Also note that these steps are for Outlook on the web. If you use the desktop app, the options are in a different place, but the idea is the same. Set the default once and Outlook will remember it. That's it. Your default font size is now set for emails, replies, and forwards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.